Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you if your iPhone screen recording or camera video work perfectly fine on your iPhone but do not play on Windows PC or in Android phone. Then this video will help you to fix this problem step by step. Many iPhone users face this issue where video show unsupported format, the screen become black only video was playing or the video does not open at all on other device except iPhone. And this problem can happen with both screen recording and camera video recording on iPhone while sharing this video to other device. So let's understand why this happened and how to fix it. The main reason is the video format used by iPhone. By default, many iPhones save video using HEVC or H.265 format. These formats give you better video quality, smaller file size, better storage efficiency. But the problem is not every Windows PC or Android device fully supported HEVC playback. Now let's fix it. On your iPhone, you need to open your settings. In the settings, scroll down and find out camera. Open it. After that, tap on format. Here you will see two options: high efficiency, most compatible. If high efficiency is enabled, your iPhone may save video and screen recording in HEVC format. To improve your compatibility, you need to select most compatible option. Once you enable the settings, future videos and screen recording will be saved in a more compatible format that work better on your Windows PC as well on your Android phone. While you share your iPhone video on that device, you can't face any kind of issue. If you have already recorded some videos on your iPhone, now if you want to convert that old video to MP4, now you can try this method. So you can get some online tools like Handbrake or online video converter, or in your Android phone you can get some mobile converter. You can use that converter to convert HEVC format to MP4. Okay, after conversion the video should play properly on almost every devices, especially for Windows users. Sometimes that issue is not in the iPhone, the problem may be in your Windows PC itself. Many Windows systems do not have the HEVC codec installed by default. Because of this, that video can't play on your PC. To fix this issue, you need to install HEVC video extension from Microsoft Store. After download and install, you will be able to play videos of iPhone on your Windows PC very smoothly. Or you can try some online video converter to convert HEVC video to MP4. You can try this also. So that's how you can fix this kind of issue. Okay, if this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and comment below with the next video tutorial topic. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.